Today, I'll show you how to create a custom survey in HubSpot so you can collect exactly the feedback you need from your customers. We'll walk through where to find the survey tools, how to start a brand new survey from scratch, how to choose how it's delivered, and how to add your own questions. By the end, you'll be ready to launch a survey that's tailored to your business, not just a generic template. Let's start by getting to the right place inside HubSpot. From your main navigation, go to the service section. Under service, look for feedback surveys and click that. This is HubSpot's central hub for all your surveys, where you can see existing ones, track performance, and create new surveys. In the feedback surveys area, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the button labeled Create Survey. This is where you always begin when you want to add a new survey. If you already have surveys in your account, don't worry about them for now. We're focusing on building a new one from the ground up. When you click Create Survey, HubSpot will show you different survey options. Here you want to select Custom Survey. This is important because the Custom Survey option lets you build your own questions from scratch, instead of using HubSpot's standard templates like NPS or customer support follow-up. A custom survey is ideal when you have very specific questions in mind or when the existing templates don't quite match what you're trying to measure. After choosing custom survey, you'll be asked how you want to deliver it. You'll see options such as email and shareable link. If you choose email, HubSpot will send the survey directly to contacts in your database. This is useful when you already have a list of people you want feedback from, like existing customers or recent leads, and you'd like the survey to show up right in their inbox. If you choose shareable link, HubSpot will host your survey on a standalone page and give you a URL you can share. This is a great option when you want to include the survey in a website button, a chat message, a social post, or even a support email signature. You're not limited to your existing contact list. Anyone who has the link can respond. Once you've picked a delivery method, you'll move into the survey editor. This is where you actually build out your questions. On the left side, look for the plus icon, usually shown as a small plus sign. Click that plus icon to add a new question to your survey. Each time you click the plus icon, you can choose a question type. You'll see options like rating, drop-down, or multi-line text, among others. A rating question is helpful when you want people to score something, like their satisfaction level or how likely they are to recommend your service. A drop-down question works well when you want respondents to select one option from a predefined list, such as choosing a product type or selecting a reason for contacting support. Multi-line text is best when you're looking for open-ended feedback, where people can type in more detailed responses in their own words. Continue adding questions using the plus icon until your survey covers all the topics you care about, then review the flow to make sure it feels clear and easy to complete. When you're satisfied, you're ready to move on to sending or sharing your new custom survey in HubSpot.